If anyone looking for the Unity Wireless APN settings, then this is the best Unity Wireless APN settings for Android and for iOS. So what you have to do is simply go to google.com and search for APN mostly. So as you can see, this is website would come up on the top when you type APN mostly. So as you can see, this is the website right here. Tap on the website and here you have to search for whatever APN settings that you are looking for. Suppose you are looking for APN for Unity Wireless. So just type Unity Wireless. So when you search this term, and you would see there is an article about the best APN settings for Unity Wireless. Simply open up this post and here scroll down and you would see a table with all the values that your APN settings should have and must have. So all the screenshots are also given how you can configure it and some MMS LTE gaming APN settings for Unity Wireless. So this is how you can do it, and yeah, that's it.